2024 Genesis G90 Preview. What's new? Since the Genesis G90 was just fully redesigned for the 2023 model year, we don't expect any significant changes for 2024. On top of a thorough styling update inside and out, the big changes for the 2023 Genesis G90 included a new turbo V6 engine with an available electric supercharger, the discontinuation of the V8 option, and thoroughly modernized technology. Power, ride, and handling. The Genesis G90 is powered by a 375 horsepower turbocharged V6 engine matched with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, AWD. It's also available with a 409 horsepower version of that same engine, enhanced by an electric supercharger. With confident acceleration, we found the turbo V6 engine satisfying in city and highway driving. The standard AWD system helps keep the power delivery smooth and consistent, and it maintains good traction in all weather conditions. The boost from the optional electric supercharger is most noticeable low in the rev range. We noticed it gave the G90 more oomph when accelerating from a standstill with a brisk 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.1 seconds, and it had the same good manners on the highway as the base engine. Another big perk, the auto start/stop function is much smoother in the supercharged version. The suspension and steering deliver a luxurious ride without feeling floaty or sloppy, and it was an absolute pleasure to drive in our testing. In addition to the engine upgrade, the E-Supercharger trim improves comfort and handling with a multi-chamber air suspension system and four-wheel steering. We've spent hundreds of hours driving and evaluating the current collection of full-size luxury sedans, including this Genesis G90. Fuel economy. The G90 is rated at 21 combined mpg with the standard powertrain. Upgrading to the E-Supercharger trim comes with an almost negligible fuel economy penalty. It gets 20 combined mpg, according to the EPA. Premium gas is recommended for both powertrains. The fuel economy of the G90 is similar to the Lexus LS, when equipped with AWD, but falls just a bit short of the most efficient variants of its German rivals. Luxurious interior. The luxurious interior of the Genesis G90 has the material quality, expert craftsmanship, and attention to detail to justify its price tag. Just a few standard luxury features include comfortable Nappa leather seating, massaging in front, matte finish wood trim, a head-up display, and power rear sunshades. Riding in the back seat of the G90 is like flying first class. The E-Supercharger model has fancier back seats with power reclining and massaging functions, plus a center console with a wireless charging pad and a touch screen to control the comfort settings. The G90 has 37.8 inches of rear legroom, which we found plenty roomy. The space in the rear seats is about the same as the Lexus LS, 38.9 inches, but it's notably less legroom than the Mercedes S-Class, 43.8 inches, BMW 7 Series, 43.3 inches, and Audi A8, 44.3 inches. The trunk of the G90 has 12 cubic feet of space. That's enough for the needs of the average G90 driver, but it's worth noting that the 7 Series and S-Class both exceed 19 cubic feet of cargo space. Bold exterior. The Genesis G90 has a striking exterior design that won't blend in with the crowd. While we appreciate the sophisticated subtlety of some of its rivals, we also like the standout styling of the G90. Our favorite features and tech. Available E-Supercharger. The optional electric supercharger is a welcome addition to the twin-turbo V6 under the hood of the G90. It boosts performance with an extra 34 horsepower and 14 lb-ft of torque over the base engine with only a slight penalty in fuel economy. Virtual Venues Live. This enhanced audio system has a virtual, 3D surround sound function optimized for different types of music. It has settings like Boston Symphony Hall and Bang & Olufsen Home, replicating the sound quality of real-life venues to make the most out of the 26-speaker sound system. Luxurious seating. The front seats in the G90 are supremely comfortable, but the rear seats are arguably an even better place to be. Nappa leather seating is standard, and the upper trim of the G90 adds heated, ventilated, massaging, and reclining rear seats, plus a rear center console with touchscreen controls and a wireless charging pad. Mood Curator. This standard feature allows your passengers to set the mood in the G90 with themes like vitality, delight, care, and comfort. It enables integrated control of ambient lighting, sound, fragrance, seat massagers, and power sunshades to create different ambient environments. Genesis Digital Key 2. This feature turns your iPhone, Apple Watch, or Samsung smartphone into a key through Apple Wallet and Samsung Pass. In addition to locking, unlocking, and starting the G90, this system recognizes the driver and loads your customized vehicle preferences. Highway Driving Assist 2. This standard semi-autonomous driving system makes highway driving safer and more relaxed by combining features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and road sign assist. Engine and transmission. The Genesis G90 is powered by a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine rated at 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque. Output is sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. The E-Supercharger trim of the G90 adds an electric supercharger and a mild hybrid system, which improves performance with 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque for a trade-off of just 1 mpg. 5-year/60,000 mile warranty. The Genesis G90 is backed by the best warranty in its class. It has a 5-year/60,000 mile basic warranty and a 10-year/100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It also has a 3-year/36,000 mile complimentary maintenance plan.